Okay, so let's take a look at how you can embed GitHub gist into Drupal's page or article. So let me go to GitHub gist. So by default it opens empty gist. So let's go ahead and discover all gists. So it would be based on third-party accounts. So let's say if I look at some of the simple gist that we can embed. Okay, so let me scroll for one more page to see something worth adding. Okay, so this is unit testing gist that I wish to embed. Now if we go to that particular gist, you can see that it has this embed option here, and when we click on that text box it will select automatically. Click on this copy icon, or you can right click and copy. Right, so click for copy. Now go to your Drupal article or page. Now let's say it looks something like this. Now let's go ahead and edit it. Right, it should open in text editor mode. By default it won't show you the code, so you have to click on source and find the place where you wish to embed that code. So let's say if I want to add it to bottom. Now one more thing is you have to set the text format for that editor to full HTML and avoid using basic HTML or restricted HTML. Go with full HTML. Now copy and paste your code to that editor. Right, now go ahead and save the article. If it's page, make sure to do the same and save the page. Now that article is updated, let's scroll to the bottom, and here you see GitHub gist is now embedded at the bottom of your Drupal article. Same is possible with page as well. If we go to about us and click on edit, right, here you can see, right, we have to go to the bottom, click on source, paste our code. Now make sure to check the text format for full HTML. Continue to edit that, go for source. Let me save our gist and save the total edit. Now that page is updated, let's scroll to the bottom, and you can see this applies to both page and article as well. Okay, so you get the idea how to embed GitHub gist to your Drupal article or page.